Smell the goods.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing another eating mukbang with the same friends that was in my donut one. In Dominos, waiting for our pizza. One fact, we've already had one, but we're still hungry, so we're getting another one. Should be another one. I don't know what they're doing, so. We're just sitting on a step, we've got our drinks.
Guys, guess what?
A litre of water.
She gave us
got water, and then she's got
2 free dips, where they're meant to be like 50p each, plus this one. Can I have one of these, please?
Yeah.
Share them all.
We'll just share them
I
all.
don't think I like this one.
I don't really like
can I just
these
see
ones. Whichever.
How is that extra cheese?
That is.
How?
More cheese. It is. This is what we got, so basic. I don't really like extra cheese, so I don't know why we got it, to be honest.
Oh!
I would have killed you if you'd done that. So you're going to sit down?
And they won't be able to see. Sit.
People can't see me.
Should cut it out.
The people can't see me.
Yeah, they can, they can.
I'm so zooming in you there. When you went like,
if I sit
they can't
here,
see me. They can. Have you ever watched ASMR videos?
Apparently they help you get to sleep. I've never watched
Yeah, I watched them. Oh, we don't have any napkins this time.
we don't need any.
Oh, there's all cigarettes where I am.
Yeah, I know.
Gross.
I'm having 3 large pizzas.
She's having more Dominos tonight because she's like going to this party thing. If we're different in Dominos then.
Huh?
We're different in Dominos.
I don't know what you're saying. How's that funny? No! I got a blooming... Is that... Oh, it's fine, it's barbecue.
Do you think you're definitely getting Dominos?
Uh-huh.
Oh, I just touched cigarettes.
They're getting us one for free. The club are buying us one.
What,
Instead of
just
paying
one?
us, instead of, I don't know.
How many people is there?
3.
We're having a party with 3 people.
No, it's a whole place full of people. And like we're just doing the disco bit for them.
Oh.
Oh my god, my rolls are in it. You got to put the camera up. Not like that. This isn't really like mukbang.
Put it on the...
Okay. What's your favourite pizza? Leave us a comment down below.
Mine's cheese.
Mine's
and
cheese.
barbecue now.
Oh, I know, it's so good.
Uh-huh.
That's mine.
I've never actually had it before. Men's here got it. I like it. Can you sit down on my lap or sit down here if you don't want anyone to see? Please sit down, you're making me stressed.
Same though.
When people stand up.
And, oh my god. Like when she was standing there, I was like, can you just sit down and eat? You're a slow eater, man. Why did we order extra cheese? I hate so much cheese. You're more of a sauce person or a cheese? Definitely sauce. I'm not an extra cheese person. Like people that get extra cheese, you are gross.
You're gross.
Well, I mean, I'm
She gave us 2 sauces for free.
She's obsessed with them garlic and herb dips.
Yeah, they're so good. And she gave us 2 for free.
I don't know if I like this.
Really bad pins and needles with my foot. It really, really hurt. What? Sorry, did I kick you?
No, so you said pins and needles.
Yeah, I did. She started back in my foot.
Tell them your travels from Bulgaria. Oh my god.
Sugar.
I'm literally so clumsy. Every day I spill at least something on me.
Same. When I was at this, I was Indian place. There was just like, you know the coconut stuff you get? It's like this coconut stuff you get at Indian place.
Oh, coconut naan?
Yeah,
No
but
way,
you
you
get
don't
a-
get that, do you?
I like it. It's so good.
What, the coconut bread thing?
Yeah. Do you not like it?
I love it. Like, no one else likes it.
No, it's really good. And I spilled them all over the table.
Do you have breakfast?
Nope.
Oh, I did.
Egg, sausages and toast.
I had Cocoa Pops and an apple.
So glad I got water.
Same. I got the
I don't
least.
Wait, what one do you...
one.
Wait, if I just had my second one. How many have you had?
How is it all done already?
Eat slowly.
It literally took 9 minutes to eat this.
Ate faster than this pizza was made.
Huh?
We ate faster than this pizza was
We did as well.
made.
That is so funny. This whole conversation is too funny.
Ew!
What did you do?
I got that sauce in my hair.
This whole eating video is kind of just like us talking. But I hope you like it. Last piece left. We are done. Thank you, Domino's.
Yo.
She's standing up again, which is weird.
Oh, my stomach. I feel really ill.
I can't even get my words out.
I'm gonna poo out pizza.
Ew.
No, hang on, no. That case. Right, can we go Devlin's toilets? I love those toilets.
But it's so far. We're gonna end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. That was so like sarcastic.
What's that smell?
Thank you for you.
Like
Thank you for watching
farts.
another mukbang.